Hello, I'm Julie Anderson, and I'm going to be your instructor for Math 268 first summer term. And there are a few things I just want to go over with you before we get started. If you go to Blackboard, there's a course calendar which tells you every due date, everything we cover that day, when all the homework is due, when the quizzes are due, when the tests are due. And since our class is at 8 o'clock, everything is due at 8 o'clock except your test, and then the test will be due. We'll start those at 8:30. So if you want to come on early and ask questions and stuff like that. But so there is a course calendar, a syllabus, and really important, a course agreement contract that I need you to fill out, sign, date, and upload to Blackboard. You'll see a place where you can do that. So you can, there are multiple attempts, send a PDF, or you should be able to take a picture of your phone. You just have to figure out how you want to do that best. So the most important thing for you to do is get enrolled in Hawks. That's where all the work takes place. That's where you'll take your quizzes and your homework and your tests and your practice tests. So there are two ways to do this. If you've never bought an access code for Essential Calculus, then you'll just go to hawkslearning.com and scroll to the bottom and purchase an access code, and you're going to get the Essential Calculus, and you can get enrolled. If you've bought an access code ever for Essential Calculus, you don't have to buy another one, but you can't just transfer yourself. So on Blackboard, there is a link that you have to go through to get a new access code, but you get a new access code for free. But you'll put your old access code in. And again, if you don't have that on your email, you just go to hawkslearning.com, scroll to the bottom, and click on the link, I need my access code, and they'll email it to you, and you copy and paste it, and you put it in there. The trick is that once you put your access code in, there's a little box that you have to click on. It's between the checkout and the $0.00. It's a small box, and it's sometimes hard to see. So once you check on that, you can get enrolled. So I'd like for everybody to go ahead and get enrolled in my grade book for first summer term. And then you'll take the course agreement. And what this is telling me that you're not going to use any outside resources, or a math app while you take a test. So Mathway, Zimbolab, any of them, just those work from those will not be allowed. You will test on Zoom. We'll meet on Zoom. We'll meet the first day, which is Wednesday at 8 a.m. Talk about all this and talk about the class, but you plan to Zoom for your test. I'll need to be able to see your hands when you Zoom, and then you'll be required to download a lockdown browser. And you won't be able to open your test unless you have that lockdown browser on your computer. But if you go to Blackboard, you'll see how to download it and all that. It should be pretty self-sufficient, but I'd like for you to go ahead and do this stuff. So if you have questions, you can ask them, and then we can just get started on Wednesday. I'm looking forward to a great semester. I will tell you that I'm serious about the work being yours. I've gone to a lot of work to make videos, to make it easy for you. Every section we have has a video lecture. I've worked out all the practice problems. I've worked really hard. And so if you're looking for a class where you can just take a picture and put in the answer from the phone or the computer, that's not going to work, because that's cheating. And I will know when you hand in your work, whether it's your work or somebody else's work. And you will be charged with academic dishonesty. No questions asked. While there are apps to help you find answers, there are also apps to help me find resources. So if it doesn't look like work that came from my video, I'll be finding out what resource was used. So just to get that out in the open up front, just to be done with it, as long as you do your own work and you follow the videos, you'll be fine. So I look forward to a good semester, and send me an email if you have any questions, and get enrolled in the grade book. Get your lockdown browser, and let me know. Okay. All right. Thanks.